National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cherry County in north-central Nebraska, southeastern Sheridan County in the panhandle of Nebraska, until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 18 miles south of Rushville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Big Hill, Dipping That Meadow, Morgan Lake, Billy's Lake, Wolf Hill, Smith Lake State Wildlife Management Area, intersection of Highway 61 and Survey Valley Road, Argo Hill, and Mother Lake. This includes the following highways: Highway 250 between mile markers 18 and 36, Highway 61 between mile markers 172 and 196. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Nebraska: Cherry and Sheridan,